welcome to Updates from the Edge, kind of a special edition featuring communities in bloom. I'm Councillor Wade Cleveland on a very windy day on Water Street. We're here for a very specific reason, joined by Dave Sollows of Communities in Bloom, and we're going to talk about something that's very pretty, a very pretty flower that's very, very toxic, and something that we're dealing with right now. Dave, tell us about this. What is this plant called?
So, plant we're talking about, it goes by a couple of names. Tansy Ragwort is maybe its most common name. It's also known as Stinking Willie. It's a plant that has made itself widespread throughout our area, and it is a toxic plant. People should know about it. It's something that is dangerous to livestock, and so we thought it might be a good idea to bring this forward as a plant to be on the lookout. And if you have it in your yard, a plant you should get rid of. So look at it first. Stinking Willie, or Tansy Ragwort, it takes a couple of years to get established. So the first year it grows, you might see a rosette of leaves like this. You see it has a raggedy edge. If it makes it to its second year without being dug up, you will get a plant like this. This time of year it's blooming with lots of bright yellow flowers. Each of those flowers will go to seed and spread seeds just like a dandelion does. They have a little bit of fluff on them. They're carried by the wind. And so each plant will produce millions of seeds, and those seeds will go on to reproduce elsewhere. The best thing to do if you find it is to pull it out. Some people are sensitive, so it might be a good idea to wear gloves. When you do pull it out, it should not go in your compost. It should go in your regular garbage so that it goes to the landfill. In compost, there's always that chance that the seeds may form there, or the root may regrow. It is a nasty plant, even though it's pretty. And it's one that in the past there have been active campaigns to get rid of. It first appeared in the Yarmouth area in the 1960s, and there was a push through the Department of Agriculture weed control program to make sure that it did not get established in any of our fields around livestock, because it does kill cattle, horses, any animals that are foraging or that eat plants. This is not something that should be around there. It appears that deer avoid it. They seem to know that it's not something they should eat. That's too bad. But it is a plant to be on the lookout. It is widely spread in the town and county of Yarmouth. And so if you see it, do your best to get rid of it. If you find it and you mow it off, it will then just regenerate. It's better than doing nothing because it keeps it from blooming. But if you do see it growing and you're able to pull it out, by all means, give it a go and put it with your regular garbage.
Is it the entire plant that's dangerous, or is it just the flowers, or is it the whole thing?
The whole thing. You don't want your animals eating any of this. Humans, of course, tend to avoid it, and it would have a very distasteful taste anyway to humans. But livestock are known to eat it, and it can be deadly for them. So that's invasive species number one. It first appeared in British Columbia in 1913. It's a Eurasian plant, so it's made its way across the ocean and found its home, a new home right here. But we're going to take a look at another plant besides in just a bit. If you want a close-up of the blossoms, that's what we're looking at.